To be lazy or not to be lazy? That is the question. We're going to find out the best of both worlds as we discuss these two amazing vacuums. First of all is the Eufy. This is a RoboVac. It's very versatile when it comes to cleaning. My favorite part of this vacuum is that I can just let it go and run around, do its job while I concentrate on all my other chores I have to do. I love that it has a lithium iron battery with 240 volts, so it's very strong. And the battery life actually lasts a very long time, 100 minutes. It goes on every sort of flooring and even under furniture. And when it's dead, you just send it home and it's going to recharge. There's even a little spot here for the remote to sit in. And cleanup is so easy. You just remove the compartment from underneath the vacuum, open up the little drawer here and empty out all the garbage. It's great. Now, I also love this portable stick vacuum from Be-Life. It as well as a lithium iron battery of 120 volts. It lasts 40 minutes. It's great for doing your stairs, even taking in your car. So I love that it's so portable. And the 3 different speeds are going to ensure that you get the greatest cleaning on any floor, whether it's on carpet, hardwood, tiles, laminate, whatever. And this little stick vac is only 6 pounds, so you can take it to do any of those extra little chores you're going to do, and you're going to have lots of fun doing it. When the battery is dead, you charge it up, and then everything can get attached and hung right back up in its place. And what about cleanup? It is a breeze. You pull the trigger and you empty the canister into the garbage can. Voila! I love them both for different reasons. So to be lazy or not to be lazy, that is your question.